copy of FN Browning 1906 without grip safety, also named Ydeal. The principal automatics for which the firm Arizmendi y Goneada is known are the Walman, Victor, Ydeal, and Singer. The name Victor was, for some unknown reason, dropped and the name Singer substituted therefor. Later a new model of the Singer was brought out, in which were incorporated improvements made in the Walman and Ydeal models. This improvement consisted particularly in a chamber cartridge indicator which enabled one to ascertain, by sight or touch, whether there was a cartridge in the chamber. The Ydeal was the lightest of the series. As originally made, the Ydeal, then made in 25 auto only, weighed 240 grams as compared to 270 grams for the 25 auto Walman and 265 grams for the 25 auto Victor. There is a model in 32 auto Browning and, probably, in 9mm short, imported from Spain by Franisek Dusek, designer of CZ Duo to sell in Germany. Designed by Francisco Arizmendi.